All right, welcome to Auto Auction Maverick. I spent about a year and a half buying used cars at auction for a living. Okay, and today we're going to talk about the number one mistake I see new used car buyers make every single time. Let's get into it.
Today we're going to talk about three biggest mistakes that a new used car buyer can make. Okay, the first one is going to be like falling in love with the vehicle like before you inspect it. And so the scenario is going to be this: you're not at the auction, you're not right there with the car, okay, and you see it online. It has a really high condition report. Everything from the pictures, even after you've looked at them 3 or 4 times each, okay, you're like, man, I gotta really try and get this one. This one looks nice, okay? You know, people see the low miles, the nice color, you know, the clean interior, and maybe it's like even a super high trim package, okay? And they stop thinking critically, okay? They miss like the timing chain noises. So, you know, so for like a very, very, very good example, okay, is some CRVs will make a slight rattle on startup. That's not the timing chain. Okay, so it's actually not a super, super huge deal, okay, if you really don't get to that car like first before somebody else. Because realistically, you should be just, I mean, if you have your own shop, you should probably just be putting a new timing chain on it anyway. It's this huge selling point. When you do like core repair, what I call core repairs like that, it makes a huge, huge deal to a customer, especially when you can get it done at a Carfax, like registered shop, you know, so it's on the Carfax. Transmission issues, okay? This is something that I can personally say that I did myself. And speaking of a CRV, 12 to 14 Honda CRVs, at 30 miles an hour, if you give it very, very light throttle, and the engine is even under slight load, so it really won't do it on any sort of incline, on any decline, but on an incline, it will start to and a lot of guys will just take it.
Bottom line, the cleanest car at the auction isn't always the best car, okay? Sometimes it's the best disguised problem. Thanks, guys.